we're going to talk about circles today. Here we have a circle with center at 0, 0 and radius of 4. If we pick a point on the circle, x, y, and draw a right triangle from the origin out to that point, the sides then are x and y. This side is x, this side is y. This particular circle has a radius of 4, and from the Pythagorean theorem, we get that x squared plus y squared is equal to 4 squared, or 16. In general, we say that the equation of a circle with a center at 0, 0 has the equation x squared plus y squared equals r squared, where r is your radius. This circle has a center at 2, 1. If we draw its radius and draw a right triangle in here, this point is also xy. The center of this circle is at 2, 1. If we look at the length of this side right here, that distance is x minus 2. If we look at the distance of this side, that length is y minus 1. I also know that the radius of this circle is 3 because I set it up that way. If you count from the center to the edge, it's 3 units away. So this means this radius down here, this hypotenuse, is also 3. So by the Pythagorean theorem, we have x minus 2 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 3 squared. If I take this same circle and look at it, but instead of calling the center 2, 1, I just leave it in the general form hk, then the formula for the same circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where the center of the circle is the point hk, and the radius of the circle is r. Okay, so let's take a look at a couple of types of problems you might have to do. They may give you an equation and ask you for the center and radius. So for the top equation, the center would be at -2, 5 with a radius of 6, because 6 squared is 36. On the bottom equation, the center would be 1, -3. The radius would be the square root of 7. Because it is 7 squared here, or the radius squared is 7, so the radius would have to be radical 7. Okay, so the next thing you might have to do is to write the equation of a circle given the center and radius. So for the first one, you would have x minus 4 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 9, because 3 squared is 9. And for the bottom one, you would have x plus 5, which comes from minus a -5 squared, plus y minus 3 squared equals radical 11 squared, or 11. Remember, whenever you take a radical and square it, you get the number itself.